In this tutorial we will learn about margin trading. We will learn how to long and short asset on Huobi Global. Huobi Global allows cross-margin and isolated margin. Cross-margin is margin that is shared across open position, using the full amount of funds in the available balance, thus reducing the risk of liquidation on a losing position. Let us learn more about it. If you want to borrow some fund from investors, you need to have an account. You must have minimum assets in such accounts to cover the risk of investors. To maintain that margin, market participants transfer excess margin from one account to another account. Isolated margin is margin individually set aside for an outstanding margin position, with a fixed collateral amount. If the collateral amount is not sufficient to support the loss, the position will be forced into liquidation. Let us try it on Huobi Global website. Here we have option of exchange and margin. Go to margin account. Here we have option to choose isolated margin and cross margin. We already select isolated margin. Now let us transfer asset from exchange account to margin account. Click transfer. If we want to reverse, then we can flip from here. Select asset which you want to transfer and then enter amount of asset. Let us transfer some BTC. Click confirm. Click on loan to borrow. If you want to long Bitcoin, then borrow USDT, and if you want to short Bitcoin, then borrow Bitcoin. I am going to buy long Bitcoin. Go to margin. Here we can choose between cross and isolated. We already select isolated margin. Here we can see liquidation price, available amount, total balance. Click buy long BTC. Here we can see our order. Once it executed, it will disappear from here. Now if we want to stop our position, then we can sell short BTC. Let us try and sell short BTC with market price. Once we short it, we have USDT in our margin account. Go to margin account and click repay to repay the amount we borrowed. We have to repay it in same asset we borrowed. Click repay. Click call. Click confirm. Now go to margin account to check balance. Here is our balance. If we want, then we can transfer it to exchange account now. As we borrowed USDT, so we have USDT in our balance. Now let us try cross margin. Click cross leverage. We will transfer some BTC to margin account as we did before during isolated margin. Select the asset you want to transfer. Enter amount. Click confirm. Once transfer successful, we will borrow asset. Click loan. Enter margin amount and click loan BTC. I will borrow BTC as I am going to short BTC. Now go to margin. Click cross. Select bear. Here we can see that we do not have any liquidation price in cross margin. I am going to sell short BTC at market price. To stop our position, we can buy long BTC anytime. Let us buy it at market price. To repay borrowed amount, go to margin account. Click cross leverage. Click repay. As mentioned before, we have to repay in same asset we borrowed. Once repaid, we can transfer our asset from margin account to exchange account. That's all of the margin trading for now. If you need any help, then you can contact our customer support. Thank you for watching.